2015-8, State of Arkansas versus James Andrew Capel. Have there been any decisions made on the period of revocation?
Your Honor, I think what Mr. Etheridge is informing the court is that he is on a parole violation.
Right.
On the current, and I'm not aware, to my knowledge, it's a 6-month parole violation, what I was told yesterday. But that does not dispose of the case that's on the court's docket today.
Right. He appeared, let me make sure, he appeared on the 15th, or excuse me, the 8th of January and entered a plea of not guilty on these charges, and this court's going to set it down for by scheduling order. I'll set it down for the June 22nd date with pretrial in May and reappearance in April. Now, if based on his parole revocation we want to adjust those dates, that's fine, but that's what I'm going to put it down for scheduling.
Your Honor, I would like Mr. Capel to know that he and I discussed a possible plea resolution, and there is not a resolution that is going to happen in that matter today, as he and I had possibly discussed.
All right.
He's acknowledging that.
Did you hear that, Mr. Capel?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. So the court's not setting bond because of the parole revocation at this point, or not setting the bond. The bond was originally set in this case at $50,000. The court's not setting a bond, further adjusting the bond on this matter based on the parole revocation, but I am entering a written scheduling order that will set your case for trial June 22nd. Your attorney is Mr. Cooper, and you need to stay in touch with your attorney with regard
Yes,
to
sir.
proceedings.
There was one thing that I was wanting to say to my attorney, and that one of the defendants has came up with a letter from the alleged victim.
Let me stop him. I'll either get down to the jail and see him, and he can tell me this, or we'll arrange to Skype like we did yesterday.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Cooper will be in touch with you about that. All right. You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
Court calls 2015-16 State of Arkansas versus Edwin Blackwell. Mr. Blackwell, I see by your file that you have appeared on January 8th for an appearance before Judge Putman. At that time, you entered a plea of not guilty on the charges in this case, and your case was set over to today's date for reappearance and also for check on attorney status. Mr. Downham, by your appearance, are you indicating that you've been retained to represent him?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. I'll enter my appearance at this time.
I'm noting Mr. Downham's appearance on the record. This matter, like the other cases here today, are being set by scheduling order for a jury trial session beginning June 22nd. Pre-trial will be set for May 7th, and a reappearance will be ordered for April 23rd in this matter. Are there other matters to be taken up at this time?
There are none, Your Honor. He's on a parole hold. It's bond, not an issue.
All right. Mr. Blackwell, I hope you understood that your next appearance in court is scheduled for April 23rd. You need to stay in touch with your attorney, Mr. Downham, and he'll keep you abreast of any issues that you need to be aware of in this matter.
Yes, sir.
All right, you may be excused at this time.